Hey, Tyler K here. Thought I would take the time this week to show you guys my folding e-bike by Origami. It's called the Firefly, and it's right over here. There it is. And this is the battery for it. It's actually in the seat post right here of the bike. And it's just the battery for the electric motor. And I'll show you guys how that goes in and inserts into the bike. Here's how it goes into the bike. Just slides in the hole there. And then there's a cable down here. Oh, it has to go up a little bit. And you just insert this into the plug and adjust your seat post how you want to sit on it. And there you go. That's how the battery goes in the Firefly Origami e-bike. Thought I'd show you guys how this bike folds up so you can put it in your car or wherever you want to put it, or in your RV. Just fold this down, maybe unplug, fold this down, maybe unplug the cable, get it down there. And push this down, then release that, fold that down, and then this is the main part. You gotta unlatch this buckle, fold in the kickstand, and then you can see the wires are in here, but you just fold it in half, and you can let it sit on the ground like that. You have a folded bike. That's how it folds. And then I'll put it back together for you guys too. To put it back together, you just push this way. Make sure these cables aren't being pinched. Then push the latch in, fold this up like that, latch it, you can put the kickstand down, then push this up to your desired height, then hook up the battery. Oh, you might want to raise it up a little bit. Yep. Put the battery back, or put the cable back in the plug in the battery. Then raise the seat to where you want it. There you go. Oh, and these pedals fold too. I didn't do that, but you push the pedal in and then push it down, and the pedals on the bike fold. I won't do that one, but yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. And then it's ready to go. Well, yeah, guys, that's how the bike folds up, and I think we'll take it for a spin here down some of the local roads and show you guys how fast it goes and just what it rides like. It doesn't go very fast. It tops out at like, I think 16 miles an hour, something like that. So it's not too crazy, but I don't know, it's a nice bike for putting in the back of my car and taking on the local bike trails. So yeah, it's good for that, but yeah, let's get on the bike. Guess I forgot, I didn't really show you guys around the bike very well, what it looks like and all the features. So yeah, here it goes. It's got an LCD screen, buttons to operate the screen, came with a bell. I added a bottle holder, got a bottle for it, and it's an all magnesium frame. I told you guys that. It's got this seat post battery, and I'm not sure the watt hours on that battery. I'll have to tell you guys at the end of the video. But it's got rear suspension here. It's got a rear hub motor right there. And yeah, I got disc brakes. No, it's a pretty interesting bike. Haven't seen very many bikes like this one around, so it's really original. And I also added a mirror to the bike. Yeah, it's just a pretty interesting bike. Let's take it for a spin. Well, we're going down the road, down the gravel road with the Origami e-bike. Yeah, if you can see, the LCD screen on this bike is not very bright. I don't know what's going on with it. It's never been bright. It's just, I think it's some kind of manufactured defect or something. I'm not really sure, but yep, just one thing about this bike I don't really like. But I really like how small and portable it is. How you can pretty much put it in your car and take it anywhere. But doesn't really shine on these gravel roads in this area like the rad bike does. It's a lot better for bike trails and just sidewalks and stuff. I wouldn't really recommend it for gravel roads like this. It's kind of underpowered and not really meant for this kind of riding, I don't think. Even though it does have rear suspension, it's just, I don't know, it's kind of a dog on the gravel roads. So, see how far we can get, but the battery's fully charged, so should be able to go a long ways. I'm not gonna run down the battery all the way though. But up here, I'll put you guys on my helmet so you can go for a little ride. I don't have to hold this tripod. Alright, coming up on the intersection. Put you guys on my helmet right up here. You guys are gonna go for a ride. Well guys, made it halfway around the loop, little 4-mile loop I'm doing today, and I looked on the battery and It's actually a 280 amp hour battery. So if you're curious about the Magnesium Origami Firefly, that's how big the battery is. That's probably why it doesn't really have a ton of power, because the rad battery is like 672 watt hours, I think. So it's got a little more juice in it. This one only has 280, so yeah, it's not quite as big, but I don't know, it's a nice bike for riding around town on bike trails, and it's kind of fun. But there's the bike again, Origami Firefly. Let's hop on and keep going. Yeah, I have the bike in pedal assist level 4 out of 5. I think there's 5 levels. And on these gravel roads, it doesn't really have a ton of power. If you're looking for a bike that'll really push you around, I'd say go with the electric e-bikes or rad e-bikes if you want something affordable. But yeah, this bike is nice for bike trails, and just a nice little bike you can pack in the car and go places. See, the combines are having problems getting through the fields around here. It's really muddy around here. Like, we just got a ton of rain this fall. The combines are having a pretty hard time getting the corn out of the fields. See, there's some corn. But yeah, this video is about the bike, not about combines. But yeah, I really like it. Not a ton of power, but tops out at about 16 miles an hour. So there you go. Oh, and the LCD display is in kilometers an hour, so that's kind of confusing, I guess. I wish it was in miles per hour, but oh, I guess this bike came from China, so remember to like, subscribe, and if you want to see more content like this, I'll maybe do a review of this bike on an actual bike trail and packing it in my car to drive to a bike trail, because we actually don't live on any biking trails here where we live. So yeah, I'll probably have a video that'll be maybe next week. I'll do that if the weather's still nice. But yeah, hope you guys have a nice day, nice rest of the week. I'll see you around. Beautiful day. there you go. We've gone over 8 miles on the local roads. But yeah, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you feel like it. And yeah, we'll see you next time. It's a nice e-bike. Oh, I forgot. This is Tyler K signing off. Oh yeah, forgot to mention this bike has a headlight. Turn that on so cars can see me a little better. And I'm wearing high vis, so always recommend be safe when you're riding and wear high vis stuff and let cars know you're there. But yeah, be safe. See you later.